That sound. The sound of failure. Buffering, lag, dropped Zoom calls. It's not your internet, it's your router. In 2026, with Wi-Fi 7 and AI mesh systems, using your ISP's plastic box is like trying to win a race on a tricycle. I turned my entire neighborhood into a testing lab, mapping signal strength, hacking security, and flooding networks with 4K streams. One router delivered blistering speed to every corner. Another was a shocking security nightmare. Today, I'll show you the overpriced flop, the budget king that punches way above its weight, and the undisputed champion that will future-proof your home for the next decade. Say goodbye to dead zones forever. Number 1. TP-Link Dual-Band AX3000. 2402 megabits per second on 5 GHz and 574 megabits per second on 2.4 GHz bands ensure smoother streaming and faster downloads, making it ideal for households with multiple devices. This dual-band capability allows for specialized usage, where high-bandwidth activities can efficiently run on the 5 GHz band while routine tasks can utilize the 2.4 GHz band. Additionally, it supports both VPN server and VPN client functionality, enhancing security and privacy for users accessing the internet remotely. A more responsive experience. Enjoy smooth gaming, high-definition video streaming, and live feeds simultaneously without experiencing lag. The implementation of OFDMA, orthogonal frequency division multiple access, technology makes your Wi-Fi connection more robust by allowing multiple clients to share one band at the same time. Number 2. ASUS RT AX88U. Experience lightning-fast internet connectivity with speeds reaching up to an impressive 6,000 megabits per second, thanks to the cutting-edge Wi-Fi 6 standard, 802.11ax, and the utilization of 160 MHz channels. This advanced technology ensures that your devices can communicate more efficiently and at higher speeds, making it ideal for gaming, streaming, and large file transfers. The router features dual 2.5G ports, which are designed to prioritize traffic for connected devices, ensuring that your most crucial connections receive the best bandwidth. This allows for flexible configurations of WAN, LAN network ports, enabling you to customize your network setup based on your specific needs, whether for gaming, professional work, or home entertainment. Number 3. Amazon Aero Max 7. With two high-speed 10 gigabit Ethernet ports, users can experience exceptionally fast wired connectivity, reaching impressive speeds of up to 9.4 gigabits per second. This ensures a high-performance environment for activities requiring substantial bandwidth. Additionally, wireless capabilities boast speeds of up to 4.3 gigabits per second, enabling seamless streaming, gaming, and browsing experiences without interruptions. The device also supports multi-gigabit backhaul speeds, which significantly enhance the overall network speed and efficiency, making it an ideal choice for households or businesses with multiple high-demand devices. The PowerOF Wi-Fi 7 technology. Embracing the cutting-edge Wi-Fi 7 technology means users can expect remarkable performance improvements. This new standard offers more than twice the speed of its predecessor, Wi-Fi 6, translating into greater capacity and efficiency. Number 4. TP-Link Tri-Band BE9300. The Archer BE550 router is equipped with cutting-edge features that significantly enhance your internet experience. It boasts multi-link operation, which allows for efficient data transmission by simultaneously using multiple channels, and multi-ASUS resource units, which improve the management of data packets for better performance. With support for 4K, QAM, quadrature amplitude modulation, the router can achieve higher data rates, and its capability to operate on 320 MHz channels offers exceptional bandwidth. This combination leads to extraordinary speeds of up to 5,760 megabits per second on the 6 GHz band, 2,880 megabits per second on the 5 GHz band, and 574 megabits per second on the 2.4 GHz band, ensuring that even the most demanding online activities are handled with ease. Number 5. GL.iNet GL-MT3000. The MT3000 VPN router is designed for international use, featuring interchangeable plugs suitable for US, UK, and EU outlets. It supports dual-band wireless networking, providing impressive speeds of up to 574 megabits per second on the 2.4 GHz frequency and 2402 megabits per second on the 5 GHz frequency, ensuring a robust and fast internet connection. In terms of physical connectivity, the router is equipped with a 2.5G multi-gigabit WAN port, which allows for high-speed internet input, and a 1G gigabit LAN port for wired connections to devices. Additionally, it includes a USB 3.0 port, enabling you to connect external storage devices for shared access across your network. So, which zone are you in? The lag zone, or the liberated zone? Your router is the most important piece of tech in your home, and now you have the data to choose wisely. If this deep dive finally fixes your connection headaches, please give this video a like, it helps us crush more buffering icons. Share this with anyone who complains about their Wi-Fi. And subscribe for more tech truth bombs. Next week, I'm exposing the one Ethernet cable mistake that cuts your speed in half. Ready to upgrade? Every router, every mesh system, and the best cables are linked for you down in the description. Enjoy the speed.